Hey everyone! Ready for a side dish that's bursting with flavor and incredibly refreshing? Today we're making a vibrant apple coleslaw. It's crunchy, sweet, tangy, and super easy to whip up. Perfect for any meal, especially as a healthy, quick option. You'll need half a head of green cabbage, thinly sliced, and one crisp apple, like a Fuji or Honeycrisp, julienned. Don't forget a couple of carrots, grated, and a quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley for that pop of color and freshness. For our light and zesty dressing, combine half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Whisk it all together until smooth. In a large bowl, combine your sliced cabbage, julienned apple, grated carrots, and fresh parsley. Pour the creamy dressing over the top. Toss everything gently until all the ingredients are beautifully coated. This apple coleslaw is best served chilled. It's fantastic alongside grilled chicken, beef, or as a fresh addition to your lunch. Give this recipe a try. Your taste buds will thank you. It's a simple way to add crunch and nutrition to your plate.